Hey guys, today I will actually give you a brief summary what it's all about with the WhatsApp new privacy policy, and should you still use your WhatsApp or should you switch to a new messenger like Signal. So let's get the video rolling. So before I start this video, make sure you subscribe my channel and share this video, and make sure you click the bell button so if I have new content, you will get a notification. So let's get started. So a lot of people ask me, what is the new WhatsApp policy about? Well, actually, the new WhatsApp policy, they want to know your personal information. That's all I can say. They want to know your phone model, what type of phone you're using, which company you're using for your carriers, your time zone, your IP address, your WhatsApp usage, your WhatsApp payments for businesses, group details, or even your informations on your profile pictures or your about info. Therefore, a lot of people got scared and they switched different messenger. However, the different messenger, it doesn't mean anything because the company can switch their policy like WhatsApp. And now you're going to switch to another messenger as well. So what I'm trying to tell people is, do not be so scared, because if you do not put your private information, everything will be fine. Because no matter which messenger that you switch to, including Signal, it's going to be the same. Your information will be leaked. Basically, everybody can see what you're using. Okay? So what I'm trying to tell you is, stay with WhatsApp. It's not a big deal if you do not share your private information, and everything will be fine. Because Facebook or WhatsApp, they already know your information already. This is not new. And I hope people do not panic, and I'm pretty sure WhatsApp will change their system eventually. Alright? Please subscribe my channel, share this video. I hope this video helped you to determine if you want to switch to other messenger or stick with your WhatsApp. Alright, stay safe and have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.